Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm back with a new video of a beautiful front page cover design for English. So the material needed for this cover page design is you will need 6 liter format sheet, gray paper in white color, one color paper for the tag and a ribbon. First you have to paste ribbon on the A4 paper. Now you have to cut strips of any 6 color. I have taken red, orange, green, pink, yellow and blue color. Now you have to cut these strips in different sizes. Now paste it like a rainbow in curved shape. Now you have to take white gray paper and have to make tiny pieces of it. Now you have to paste the pieces. make an English tag and write English inside it. So here our today's video, and I hope you enjoyed my today's video. If you enjoyed it, you like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.